Hey guys, you're watching Luke Crafts, and today in this video we're going to make a paper watch with this template which I printed out on card. So if someone wants this template, link will be in the description down below, or follow me on Instagram to get this template. So I earlier made this watch but it got ruined totally, so I'm going to make a video and make another one for me. So this looks good. If I wear it, looks like real but not up to the mark, so I'm going to make a new one which would look like a real. Okay, so let's get into the video. Start. So firstly I'm going to cut the template out with the help of scissors. Alright guys, so I'm done with cutting, and now these are three things which we need: the knob and the belt and the main watch, which is the most important thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a scale and a scissors to make crepes for folding the template out. Alright guys, so while folding we have to be very careful, and there will be a blue line on the watch which we are going to cut through for the belt, which is going to come like this. And this is how it looks after folding. Now I'm going to use some glue to stick all the parts out which need to be glued after folding, like this. Alright guys, follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates before YouTube. Alright guys, so now the last part, which is really hard. So we are going to glue the wide sides. We are going to put glue on the wide sides, and then we're going to fold it very carefully so that it will not break. And then we're going to stick all the white parts together with glue like this, as shown in the video, so that it will become a square box like this. And then put some glue on the white last side, and then stick it onto the watch, and you're done. Looks beautiful.